है पीछे। Left lane is always fast. ओए रुको।
The video is locked.
शीशे खुले?
हाँ?
शीशे खुले?
Bro,
आगे चलो।
कौन है ये जीप थी राइट?
हाँ।
Holy sh**. Okay, Garmin. Say video. What the f***?
Southbound on 65, we passed Masonville Road, speeds are 70. TDI.
Yes, state police here. They're off road and right now to the ditch to the field.
Y'all trying to do.
Hey, shut up! You didn't care about all that when you ran and put everybody's life in jeopardy.
Oh.
This message comes from NPR sponsor Shopify. No idea where to sound. Shopify puts you
about? You were in
every
the other
sales
lane.
It is a commerce platform. Shopify.com/NPR. Your business to the next level.
No, what? You! Jesus.
Walker, all I can think of is Chuck Norris. I'm not sure why, but we'll get it right here. But Walker, they're dedicating Walker today. And so...
the Are you stupid? Is you stupid or something, bro? Are you dumb? Are you stupid? That is an accident lane, you dumb. Hey!
There's still someone in there. Too much weight. Don't get too close. Come on. Get in.
Okay, make sure nobody else is in the car right now.
Let her go. Nobody else.
Chief, that's everyone?
That's everybody. Yep.
They're trying to turn, but why are they going so slow?
Why aren't they turning?
I don't know. What are they doing?
Oh my god, they're on the curb. They turned on the curb.
Oh god.
They don't know how to drive. Oh my god.
Oh jeez.